Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to quickly show you how you can, for example, in my asset management app, filter through the different categories of different products. So I've actually changed what is in the supplier category to, what's in the supplier column, into what the categories are just for this example. So as you can see, we have kitchen, gym, sauna, and bedroom as some of the categories that have been used. So quickly to do this, I'm assuming you guys already have fetched your data. So to do this, you want to add a variable called, for example, const filtered categories. We'll want to place so I've made a use state. I've made it called select category and set select category. And the categories I have them set as like an array of strings. So here are all my categories. As you can see, they're split into interior and exterior. And I've changed the filter categories to add all categories. They're just the same, it's just so this can cover all of them so they all display. Otherwise, if you don't do that with this strategy, none of these will display. So I've set the use state to all categories as default. What I want to do is I want to make sure the selected category, if it is not equal to the all categories, then I want the data that I have fetched from my query, my use query, I want to filter through it, and I'm going to, for each product, every product dot category has to be equal to the selected category. Else, I just want to show the data. I had to change the name of this variable because it wasn't working with what I already had set before. So basically what this variable is doing is it's saying if the selected category in this use state is not strictly equal to all categories, then we're going to filter through the data, and every product category must equal the selected category, which will be selected through this drop down menu here. If not, so basically if it's just set to this all categories, then we're just going to display all the data. And then after that, what I have done is I have pretty much set if the filtered product and filtered product dot length is greater than 0, then we're going to display pretty much all this stuff down here. Besides this add product. Otherwise, there's no point in displaying the stuff here since there's nothing there. It's just going to say, you could put a message like, there are no products, please add a product. You could add something like that. But now you want to do the filtered product dot map. And then from here, I just have some admin and mod things, but just from here, you can easily filter through all these to whatever you want them to be. So within this filter, I have a component called exterior card, and in the exterior card is just all of this stuff here, but the key is this filter product component I've made up here. So this filter products component has a type, a selected category, and a set selected category. So what that's allowing me to do is change the selected category, which will be selected through here. So we obviously want the type because when we go into the exterior products, we want to be able to change it for the exterior products and see the categories for the exterior products. And we need to give these the types. So the type of set selected category has to be react.dispatch, react.set state action. That was my first time ever seeing it, but it works. And then pretty much from here, it's pretty simple. You can just add your drop down menu, select. I'm using a component library called Shadsy. And yeah, this is how I have it. So the select, if the value equals selected category or nothing. And on value change, so that's just saying when I click something else, we're going to set the selected category to the value, which then will only display the filtered products of whatever we have put in here. And also sorry, this filter categories is from this categories.ts. So we're saying the filter categories type, since there is two types, interior and exterior here, if the type is, I guess for this example, interior, then we're going to dot map, the value is category, and we're just going to display category. And that's how you get the selected items. So now, for example, if we choose gym and sauna, it only displays the gym and sauna. If we choose the kitchen, only display the kitchen. If we choose all, it'll all come back. And I find this is really good because some of the things I've seen and used have been ones that refresh the whole query and the whole data, and it doesn't look clean. But for this, it's just smooth, and there's no refreshing, and it happens pretty much instantaneously. So that's why I think it's the best way to do it. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to make this, I can do so if you want that. But other than that, I'll show you that it also works for exterior. So there's deck and garden, and here you can see there's all the deck and garden. We can click garden, only shows the garden. Deck only shows the deck. So yeah, so that's how I have used filters. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.